So guys, this is a room tour for room 420 in the Easyhotel in Glasgow. I'll give you a wee room tour. So you come in, you've got a towel on your door. This is the bathroom, guys. Nice shower, it's like a step-in shower with your sanitizer. Nice mirror, orange sink in your toilet with your flush. I think this is sort of to design with the EasyJet holidays, guys. So your top's got like a wee door like that. Just close it and you come in, you've got a door like to hang your jacket and stuff. So here's any extras. So you can get a late checkout for £10, which I believe is 1 o'clock. You can get an early check-in from £10. You can get bag storage for £5 and you can get your room service for £10. If you sign up, guys, on the Easyhotel Club Beds, you get 10% off your future bookings, and you can also book at easyjet.com. This is what the room looks like. You get a nice light up there with your telly, a nice mirror with your radiator. You've got a plug socket there, there's my partner. And you get a nice double bed, screws or stuffs all over it. And you also get a plug socket at the bottom there. And if I take you over here to the view, across from the hotel is the Doubletree by Hilton Hotel. It's a huge hotel, like in the middle of the city centre. And this is the room with a window. You can also get a room that's not got a window, but that's not for people that are maybe a wee bit claustrophobic. Yeah, so if anybody's got any questions about the hotel or you want to know anything more, then please do let us know. Comment below and we'll see you on the next trip. Bye for now.